The fall season is here, and that means Halloween, decorations, and harvest festivals. Now, they might look a little different this year, but that doesn't mean they're canceled. They're just getting better. And I have a good idea that puts a simple twist on these traditional events. Create your own trunk or treat. It's easy and everyone can get in on the socially distanced fun. So let's get started. First, coordinate with your neighbors, family, and friends so everyone can get in the action, but keep it in that bubble, if you know what I mean. Next, find a location. Maybe it's a community parking lot where everyone can spread out, or stay on the block and keep it in your driveways for some at-home ease. And now you're gonna pop the trunk, pick a theme, and decorate. You're gonna decorate the trunk of your car the most amazing way. I like to think about it like being a Hollywood set designer. The sky's the limit when it comes to your imagination. You can go with a fall harvest theme and get some bales of hay and corn stalks and scarecrows and pumpkins and gourds and so much more. And don't forget the coordinating fabrics and, of course, your overalls. Or, of course, you could go scary with them spooky ghosts and goblins and creepy crawly things, or pick a fantasy theme, something from maybe one of your favorite books or movies. The sky's the limit when it comes to your imagination and what you could do to the trunk of your car. You might want to add some food, add some games. My tailgaters out there, you know what to do. And there you have it. It's your trunk or treat. So get excited because getting in the spirit is easy with a little imagination and some inspiration. Happy fall, y'all.